Why do we fail to get the full attention of government and local authorities when we protest, draw up petitions, of as ons mooi praat? Now, I'm not inciting or condoning violence, but we are not aggressive enough. The Fifth Column financed the xenophobic campaign, and our government spent 600 million to maintain law and order for one day. One day. One day. If we want to combat xenophobia, crime, corruption, high food and energy prices, state capture, genocide in Gaza, and trade with apartheid Israel, we need to be relentless, loud, and make it known that we don't do business as usual. As sag praat, hoor hulle ons nie. Maar as ons garra praat, let hulle op. Enough is enough. Genoeg is genoeg. So let us send them a clear message that our tolerance is up.